You are a strange dog. You play with wooden blocks. What's up with that? See what I mean? Not toys, not balls. This your favorite toy. Yeah, you play with balls and you play with other toys, but this your favorite toy for some odd reason. Crazy dog. Look at this. Oh, bitten up. Give it. Give it. Give it. What? Now, have you ever heard of a dog playing with a wooden block when you got all these other toys around? See, right there. Toy right there. Toy right there. Right there. You want to play with this? What sense that make? You are officially weird. Up. You barking at? Here. What you looking at?